Student, welcome in political science class. Student, today we will discuss very important topic, the relationship between India and Russia. Student, Russia previously knows USSR and USSR ruled by the communist model, and after independence India had selected democratic system, and the great Indian leader under the relationship of Nehruji had started very good foreign policy, and that foreign policy was non-alliance movement, and India had separated from world conflict to India's interest, because the time was Cold War, and during Cold War, after the Second World War, when Cold War started between two powerful countries, one bloc led by the America and another bloc led by the USSR, and many world's countries had made mutual cooperation among both blocs, USSR blocks and US bloc. But India, after independence, wanted to increase their economy, their democracy, their freedom of the people, and industrialization with the public sector establishment. And if India will join any one bloc, the development process and the interest of India can destroy or can limited. So this reason our great Indian leader had followed the non-alliance movement. Both blocs will help to the establish the strong Indian interest, then India can take help of the both bloc. But India had not made alliance. But among both bloc, Russia means USSR become very close to the India. Why? Because Russia want to establish a good friend of India, because the USSR leader were understood later, means after some years India will be big economy and market of the world in Asian continent, and it was thought of the USSR leader, and they had made very good relation to the India, and Indian government received and welcomed this relation between India and USSR. So student, topic wise we will discuss the relations between India and Russia. Point number first. During the Cold War era, India and USSR after integrated, it knows the Russia enjoy very special relationship, which will study by dividing into two the following four parts. We will discuss the special relationship between India and USSR following 4 points. Number first, the relation of economy. What was the relation of economy between India and Russia? USSR assisted India's public sector companies at a time when assistance was difficult to get, and gave technological help for the plants like Bhilai, Bokaro, Visakhapatnam and BHR. These limited and accepted India's currency for the trade when shortage of the foreign exchange. Student, for the economic expansion of India, USSR without greed provided lot of help to the Indians, and the USSR had given the technological help to the establish the public sector companies in India, because that time India was newly independent country and Indian government and Indians have not good technology trained person to establish a good industries, public sector industries in India. And this interest of India had fulfilled by the USSR. Not only Russia provided the technology, capital and the technical person also sent in India to establish the public sector industries like Bhilai industry, Bokaro industry and Visakhapatnam industries. Not only by the technical person, technology capital, USSR had supported India. That time India was by the currency was weak because India had not lot of foreign currency. How India can will purchase the materials, technology and the heavy industries machines from the other countries? So USSR had provided very good solution to the Indian government. For the foreign exchange, I will accept the Indian currency. Direct Indian currency had used by the USSR for the foreign exchange and provided the lot of economic facilities to the India. So we can say, if after independence the public sector industries established and increased the production, provided the facilities to the peoples, it was a result of the USSR help. Indians cannot ignore the USSR help because USSR help had provided and completed the industrialization process in the public sector with the private sector establishment in India. Students in the field of agriculture, USSR government had provided lot of tractors, harvest machines, the establishment of the agro-based companies. IFFCO we have. IFFCO is a big producer of the agriculture base product, chemical, fertilizer. Without help of the USSR, the establishment of the IFFCO, Indian Farmers Cooperative Limited, cannot establish in India. For the establishment of the IFFCO, Russian government had provided machines, technology, technicals sent in India, and they had provided the facilities to establish these industries. So we can say, for the economic strength, USSR or Russia had provided lot of facilities to the Indian government. It was the first mutual relation between India and Russia. Second, the political relation. USSR supported Kashmir issue. Student, after separation, Kashmir issue became very big issue and it was biggest confrontation between India and Pakistan. Pakistan supported by America and China, and India become alone on the world platform because China and America is a very strong country of world. So how India will secure India's interest? USSR came in front, and in the United Nations, in the Security Council, in the war field, USSR had supported India, and USSR had played very good role in the war of 1971 between India and Pakistan, because America had provided lot of war-based materials like tanks, aircraft, bullets, These things had provided America to the Pakistan against the India. And how India will secure their dignity and freedom. And when battle started for the protection of Pakistani interest, America had sent nuclear navy in the Indian Ocean. Then, seeing this situation, USSR came in front of the world, and the USSR had sent nuclear navy against the America. And the USSR leader had proclaimed on world platform, if America will support directly Pakistan, I will support India, and it can break the peace of world. It was good support toward the Russia during time of war of 1971, and the nuclear navy of the USSR became the game changer in the war of 1971, and India won this battle, and India became strong with the support of USSR. So the political strength also increased with the help of USSR in India on the world platform. So it was the explanation of political relation. Then military relation. If India's military is very strong, it is the good help, relation and result of the USSR later Russia. How? USSR given military hardware, direct handed over, and technological training, machines and maintenance and military equipment. When India's interest increased for the security place for the military help, the Russian government had provided military hardware, good aircraft, good tank, the support of navy, etc. Russia had provided the cheap level materials for the increase the power of India's military. For the military strength, for the military empowerment, USSR or Russia had provided lot of facilities to the India and cultural. It is the fourth explanation of the relation between USSR or Russia between India. A large number of the Indian writers and artists visited in USSR, and they had learned and they had shared the culture between Russia and India, and result came. The Indian artist become household with the name in the Russia. Amitabh Bachchan, Raj Kapoor film, very famous in Russia, and both artists of Indian films had become the household frame personality in the Russia. So students, we can see the USSR or Russia relation between India had strengthened after independence the India's interest. Russia also became ready to help India. Some political conflict and confrontation is available between Russia and India because Russia's interest is differ on the world platform and India's relation is differ on the world platform because Russia always opposing America, and no doubt absolutely America is the world powerful country. So India cannot ignore the American help. When America become close to India, then Russia become against. But Indian leaders always try to make balance between Russia and America and India. Okay, student, thanks.